In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Xero automatic invoicing. Whether you're running a business or managing finances, automating your invoicing process can save you a lot of time and reduce errors. Let's dive right in and take you through the steps to set up automatic invoicing in Xero, making your financial management smoother and more efficient. First, head over to the Xero website. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen and find the plus icon. Clicking on this icon will give you a menu of options to choose from. Out of these, you'll want to click on Invoice. This action will take you to the invoice creation page where you can start entering all the necessary information for your invoice. Here, take your time to fill in all relevant details such as the client information, the services or products provided, prices, and any applicable taxes. Ensure that everything is accurate to prevent any issues later. Once you're satisfied with all the information entered, you have a couple of choices to proceed. You can either click Save and Close if you're just crafting a draft, or you can go for Approve an email to immediately send the invoice to your client. Keep in mind that this step is about creating a manual invoice, and now we'll shift our focus to automation. To set your invoice to be sent automatically, you want to go back to the main dashboard and click on Sales. In this section, find and click Invoices, where you'll see a list of all your created invoices. From this list, select the specific invoice you want to automate. In the top right, you'll notice 3 dots indicating additional options. Clicking on these will reveal more choices, including Repeat or Create Recurring Invoice. Now, this is where the magic happens. You can now customize how often you want the invoice to be repeated, whether monthly, weekly, or on any other schedule that fits your business needs. Set the invoice start date, which is essentially the day it gets sent out. Then select the due date, giving your client a clear deadline for making the payment. As you finalize these settings, you'll see an option to determine what happens to the invoice once created: Save as Draft, Approve, or Approve for Sending. Once you have tailored all these settings to suit your requirements, simply click Save. Congratulations, you have now set up your invoice to be sent out automatically, freeing up your time and ensuring that your invoicing runs like clockwork. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your finances a little more seamless. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.